This video is produced by the followers of Pujya Shri Ashok Purohit Ji across the globe to congratulate Purohit couple for being selected as Adarsha Dampatigalu, the ideal couple, organized by Kamala Kala Vedike of Mumbai. Ashok Purohit Ji was born in 1974 at Tirthahalli, a tiny village in Karnataka. Initially, he received lessons on Jyotishya from his father Sri Subraya Acharya. At a tender age of 10, he moved to Sri Kalikamba Vinayaka temple in Mangalore to learn more on Jyotishya. During the 12 years at Mangalore, he mastered the intricacies of Jyotishya Shastra, Vastu Shastra and Paurohitya. ತನ್ನ ಜಾತಕದ ಆಧಾರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತೆ ಮುಂಬೈಯನ್ನು ಕರ್ಮಭೂಮಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿ 1997ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂತಾಕ್ರೂಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆ ನಿಂತರು. Some of the people who benefited from Purohit Ji's Jyotishya Shastra include politicians, hoteliers, industrialists and film personalities. Apart from the VVIPs, Ashok Ji's guidance also helped the common man. In the year 2010, Hilton Group of Hotel from Cyprus and Gulf Airways organized Indian Festival, and our Pujya Ashok Purohit Ji was the only one Indian Jyotishi who attended this festival. Thus, he got recognition in international level, and he was invited by Gulf countries like Dubai, Bahrain, Muscat, Kuwait, and also London, Paris, Singapore, Thailand, and China. Also, many citizens of these countries became Ashok Ji's ardent followers. Following the one caste, one religion policy, his preachings are the motivation for all of his followers. ಜೂನ್ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಬಯಿಯ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕಮಲಾ ಕಲಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಯವರು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ಆದರ್ಶ ದಂಪತಿಗಳು 2020 ದಿ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಕಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 2020 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಗುರುಗಳಾದ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಪುರೋಹಿತ ದಂಪತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲು ಆಯೋಜಕರು ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದರು.
ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಸವಿತಾ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಪುರೋಹಿತ್ ದಂಪತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಶುಭಾಶಯವನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತದ ಒಟ್ಟು 851 ಪ್ರತಿಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಗಳ ಅನುಯಾಯಿಗಳು, ಬಂಧು ಮಿತ್ರರು ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಜಯಗೊಳಿಸಲು ಕಾರಣಕರ್ತರಾದರು. ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು ಗುರುಗಳೇ. ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಪುರೋಹಿತ್ ಜಿ also attended many events and supported many organizations and artists. During the pandemic of coronavirus, people faced a lot of problems in lockdown. Pujya Ashok Purohit Ji distributed food to the needy families, thus showing his social responsibility. We once again congratulate Ashok Purohit couple and pray the Almighty to give strength and energy to our Guruji to serve the mankind.